welcome back to Clutch Crew. We're gonna be working on Angel's G35, and yeah, we're gonna be putting on an Angel's lip right here, and yeah, let's see what we can do.
So this is a little preview of how it looks without the lip, stock bumper, stock height. So, and then we'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. It should look a little more aggressive and stuff. So
yeah, so it should by the end that we put on the lip, it should look better.
All right, so before I put the lip on, I'm gonna take the bumper off just to make it easier, like accessible. So we're gonna do that first.
What up, boy?
What's up, guys?
What you doing today?
I'm trying to restore my headlights today.
Yeah, they need some restoration.
Nah, they really do. You know, they had this one was a lot yellow. So yesterday, I was trying to restore them because I saw this video on YouTube. You hand sand it down with 600 at first, and then you hit it with 1500. After it's sanded, you dry it and everything. Then you get this clear coat paint. And then at first, I sprayed it, and it was super clean, like super clean. But then the paint started drying, and then that junk, it was bad.
That junk is terrible. So yeah, we're trying to fix it with that little restoration kit. So hopefully it comes out good, but who knows, man.
Yeah. I want glass right now, anyways.
Nice. Alright, bro, so we just got the bumper off. We're gonna fit the lip just to see how it sits or anything. What did you guys clip on?
Yeah, it like clips on pretty much.
That's fine. By the way, this is Daniel.
Come on, Red.
Come on, bro, don't be shy. It's okay. Say a little something to the camera.
What's up?
Hey, you ugly! Nah, but for real, there's Daniel. This is the first time you guys can see him, but he's probably gonna start hanging out with us a lot more. He's not really into JDM, but
Nah, he hates JDM.
we'll get him there. We'll get him there. Right? We'll get him.
Nah, he got a funeral car.
Yeah, let's go check it
Go
out.
look at his funeral car, bro.
Yeah, my boy can hook you up. He'll take your coffin from point A to point B, like super quick. So hit my boy Daniel up. We got y'all.
That slate did need the clamp, anyways.
So this lip is pretty cool actually, cause it just kind of like snaps onto the original bumper. Like if you guys have ever installed the lip, or for example the one on the SDI that we installed with Kevin, that jump was like pretty difficult because like we had to use like clamps and a whole bunch of other stuff to just like align it perfectly. But this one's really dope because like I said, it just like kind of clips onto the original bumper, so it's pretty easy, like the fitment and stuff like that. You could actually do this with one person, but yeah, we're just gonna like clamp it up just to make sure it's like perfect on each side.
I'm gonna just put my finger on it in the back, so when it hits my finger, I know. Third time the motherfucking time.
Wow.
There we go. Now I got 3 holes in my shit. It'll be alright. No one knows.
So yeah, bro, Orban's just finished, and it actually looks really clean. It's actually pretty smooth too.
Alright, but come
But
on.
he just jacked up the light stuff. Oh, you got a purple light in here, son.
Do we?
You a little fruity. I just kidding. What's up, William?
It's my disco.
This Angel's
My
dad.
disco night car.
What happened to the rims, bro? Why? They were so awesome. They were so nice. This man William bought the riciest rims you could ever see. Sebastian for going trick-or-treating yesterday. I don't think he knows we took his candy, but hey. M&M's. Orban, you want some? Yeah, let me get it. Come on. What? We got everything.
Milk dud, it looks milk dud head ass. That's Daniel, bro. Look, Daniel looks like a milk dud.
Show him.
Look
Side
at
by
that,
side comparison, baby.
Look at that, bro. Oh, milk dud head ass.
Bro, I think they put something in this candy, man. This man Angel is tripping. This man is gone.
Go ahead with the video.
Just go. Me gusta.
Go ahead. What is it?
Me
Me
gustan.
gusta las.
No, los.
Me gusta los.
It's los because you know it's plural, so it's a whole Spanish thing. Point is los. Say it. Suales.
Me gusta
Don't pronounce
los
Sexuales.
homosexuales.
Mom.
Say it fast, bro.
Yeah, now say it fast. Say it one more time.
I don't know what the last word is.
Homosexuales.
Homosexuales.
Now say it.
Gusta los homosexuales.
Hey, gay, dude. You
What does that
Hey,
mean?
bro, you like guys, bro?
You gay.
Hey, bro.
This man Daniel. Alright, bro. You gotta go, man. That's enough.
We're about to drive to my house real quick because I bought these bumper latches or whatever, quick latches that I was gonna install on my car. But dang, bro, this man dying. I'm telling you that candy had something,
Bro,
bro.
that shit got my shit lit, boy.
This man dying. Look
This is
at
the best Halloween ever, bro. We lit as fuck.
Woo.
Nah, but I'm about to go get some quick latches from the house. I'm gonna give them to Angel because they didn't fit on my bumper. So I'm gonna give them to him. And we're actually gonna get to ride in the
Boatmobile.
Yeah. So I caught shotgun because you know
I caught shotgun.
this man be putting coffins in the back. Nah, I caught it already, bro. Chill out.
Oh, no. It smells like my grandpa in here, bro.
It probably was.
My grandpa was rolling in this bitch.
Alright. I already did that. Like I was saying, we just got back from my house. And let me see. Show him the quick lectures, bro. Look at
Focus.
Whatever. Point is, they look pretty dope, so we're gonna install it on his bumper.
Daniel, practice the Spanish we taught you.
No.
Come on, Daniel.
No, I forgot
Daniel,
what
please.
Hola,
niño,
¿cómo estás?
Say it.
Muy
Say it.
bien.
Alright, Daniel, you have to go. Moment of truth.
Alright, we do it. Alright.
Moment of
There you
truth.
go.
Okay.
Me gusta los homosexuales.
Alright, so we just fitted it to make sure that it look flush. And then we put two little black dots right there to show where we're gonna drill the holes, so when we put the little quick release on, it fits right. Oh! Johnny Tip.
Come on, bro. Tell.
Damn, nigga, that's the shit that has the wax on it, bruh. God.
So we drilled both holes on both sides already. And Angel's already installing the hardware. It's really simple. It's just the little catch on the front. Then you have the screw. And then the back goes a nut.
I gotta go write an essay, bro.
Alright, bros.
You gotta write an essay.
So we got the latches on both sides on. Looks pretty good. Pretty firm.
Dude, I have an essay tomorrow.
You like it, Angel?
Yeah, it's fine, bro.
She does 500.
And
You got Abigail.
this is how it looks with the lip.
Abigail.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say first name.
Bruh. I got Ali.
Oh, we put the lip on the bumper. We finished putting on the little quick release, and that's pretty much it. But the quick release, the bands are kind of too big, so we're gonna have to get like some smaller, tighter bands, because if not, the bumper's gonna be like flying everywhere. But that's about it. Thanks for joining us today, and stay safe when you're driving.